I'm Eric Beeson, and I'm the Quality Systems Manager for Stainless, so here at Mannford and over at Kellyville. I've been here 3.5 years. I really deal with a lot of our certifications that our customers require, so ISO certifications, NSF for food-based products. So I make sure that our management systems align with those standards, and we have the certificates needed to sell product to those customers. It's basically an assurance to them that you have good practices in place in your business, that you solve problems, that you're always trying to improve, you have a continual improvement process, that you have good record-keeping practices and document control, things that are generally globally agreed upon as good business practices. So they want to know you have those things in place. And the nice thing is when you have the certification, they know that a third party has come in and audited you to verify that you're doing what you say that you're doing. So it's a form of insurance to our customers, that they know that you've met that bar for having a management system. For food products, it's to assure our customers that we have systems in place to not mix grades of material in products that'll touch food. There are some things you wouldn't want leaching into a food product, so that's pretty important. Every day is kind of different for me, and my calendar is often full a week or two in advance. So being over quality systems, anytime we have a customer come visit for a tour and audit, I'm usually involved in that. So I do that. I have audits scheduled where I'm going and auditing safety, quality, or environmental programs at our plants. I'm really involved with the environmental team, with the corporate environmental team, so usually spend an afternoon or two a week involved in something they're doing. There's a lot going on with our environmental program. So I land at a different plant every day of the week, it seems. But then I've also got my team, which consists of safety managers, the environmental manager, process control auditors. So I have a pretty wide-ranging team. The environment in Webco, I think it really comes down to those side pillars on our 16 principles of trust and teamwork, and that is certainly the case in the IMS team. We work closely together. It's a small team. There's 5 or 6 of us, but we work really well together at a pretty fast pace. And as we know, we're kind of playing the infinite game at Webco. It's the long game, but how do we actually improve and get better? And that's an incremental process. I don't know that we'll ever get to perfect, at least not in my lifetime. Ways that we can demonstrate, gosh, we're really better at doing this today than we were last week. We fixed a problem, we solved it, and this is kind of our new stake in the ground. This is where we're kind of planting our flag today, and if we have the opportunity to move that forward next week, we're going to take it. I landed at Webco a little later in life than I know a lot of folks have that started here right out of high school, and there's no shortage of those. But I had the opportunity to spend time in other businesses that didn't have that kind of culture. I was self-employed for 15 years, so I spent time in a lot of businesses and kind of got to see the inner workings of some companies. And what we have here is pretty special.